to learn the Forex strategy live, then stick around, guys, because that's exactly what we're going to do. All right, give me a quick second. I am going to just put up a message on the chat. Live market. Open. Okay, got it. Okay, and also that being said, we're not financial advisors, you guys. We're not financial advisors. Okay, so any trades that you take upon yourself. Don't be risking more than 0.5% or 1% on any given trade at any given time. Cash and I have been trading these markets for the past 8 years. We've been doing it live in front of you guys for the past 1 year. We're purely an educational channel, so if anyone over here is expecting us to tell you all when to buy and sell, kindly get off the stream, because that's not the kind of stuff that's going to be going on the Zoom call. Okay, you guys can see where we have our levels marked out. You can see how we like to enter, and yes, y'all could enter in with us, but by no means are we screaming buy or sell. Okay, I just want to put that out there. I hope you guys have had a great weekend. I'm going to be taking feelers today, you guys. I had one hell of a London session today. Cash effects absolutely killed the markets, and it was intense. I made about, well, I'm not going to speak in terms of money. I had three nice positions, caught about 14 pips on each of them. And yeah, I'm pretty much done trading for the day. All right, I'm just here for you guys. So we're going to see what comes our way. And I personally am at least going to try to trade with the intention of learning today rather than really just trying to make money, all right? Because I've made my pips and my money for the day. Okay, all of that being said, I'm going to now start to share my screen with you guys real quick. Cram coded out on London. Thank you, man. It was all cash. All I did was hit buy and sell. Okay, I hope you guys see my screen now. All right, first things first. One-on-ones, I want you guys to notice this, okay? Flag, distribution, break, flag, distribution, okay? Structure, structure. The ones that had to understood that. All right, so now let's see what price wants to do. And these are the indices, okay? Potential break of the 50 moving to the downside. So what do our positions look like? Let's break that down as well. Let me just make sure we have everything covered. Okay, straight up, I'm not going to be trading within the zone, you guys. I don't like the zone in case the sales want to come in, so I'm going to wait for the break of our demand and we can catch a move potentially to the downside. Where are my buys going to be at for Nasdaq? My buys are going to be up above this region. Okay, and of course you have a small zone fill there, and then if price wants to push even higher, you'll know that you'll have room to push up to the supply. Okay, and what are we looking at on the dirty? Okay, zone fill possible right there. So that'd be selling into some demand that we're going to face somewhere down in this region. And one-on-ones, if you want a quick scalp, you'll know where it's at. We have a nice quick scalp in that region, 30 pips, not bad at all. Break a structure up above there. Okay, I'm going to put this now. For now, I'm going to put this here. Okay, and if you're wondering where your stop loss should be, keep wondering. Okay, because you guys need to be putting in your stop losses yourself based off of structure. You could have a nice tight stop loss for the buys up here and this region as your stop loss for the sells. Okay, but it really depends on your risk and money management. Cool. Goldilocks, again, like we said, not too much of a fill here, about 22 pips and about 22 pips both ways. It's up to you guys if y'all want to get into those aggressive scalps. If not, you're going to wait for price to break. And of course, you're going to wait for price to break. But listen, the ones that have done at least 3 sessions with me, we've already spoken about layering. We've already spoken about all of that good stuff. So know that y'all could trade within the zone as well. Okay, I'm gonna get to the chat real quick. What's up, you guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? Good morning, Karan. Good morning, Zero. 48 people. Why do we have only 48 people today? That is odd, but it is what it is. Listen, nothing's going to stop me from doing these streams for you guys. Nothing's going to stop Cash, irrespective of whether people turn up or not. We're still going to make our money. The ones that come, you guys are lucky. Okay? Often from London. London was a killer. It absolutely was. JJ, my man, I saw you banking some. Hello, sir. I'm new here. First time. Welcome, Mohammed Saifullah. Welcome to Forex Trading. Watch what we do. Take it easy. Spectate. And when you feel confident, that's when you could hop on and join us. Okay, what's up, Bharat? Hi. Hi, Emily. Hi, Ben Kingsley, JJ, Keon. Good evening, guys. What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay, a little bit of an impulse. So, what are we looking for potentially for the people that are new on here? It's simple. We're we're okay. It's simple. We're looking for a break. All right. We're looking for a retest, and we're looking for a rejection and a break that structure. Okay. This trade will be triggered when this candle closes in our box, so we'll know in the next minute and 12. Okay, maybe a little bit, just maybe. Okay, these don't work out, but maybe we're starting to build a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders on the strength indicator as well. Okay, let's do this. All right, I like the level we're at right now. Let's look at something like that for nasty. Okay, if you guys are wondering why I switched that down here, because we're trying to cross the 50. Okay, we try to cross that 50. This inverse head and shoulders could flourish through, and we could be looking to get our move up to the 70. Okay, so this looks like a double top to me. What this also tells me is we definitely have some supply coming in here as well. Okay, so be mindful, be careful, and there's going to be some demand that's going to be sitting right in this region down here. So please be mindful, guys. If you're in on this for the impulse, take your TP as soon as we hit that region up there. Okay. Cool. And gold is being gold right now. Do we have any people on YouTube? What's up, people on YouTube? Hello, Salam. Hi, Mr. Shazi. Hey, Kram, can you just give a brief on how you mark the support and resistance? We basically start from the higher time frame, so we work our way from the daily time frame down to the 5 minute time frame where we scalp these markets, and we're just looking for key levels, the highs and the lows, and just areas that have good flips from support to resistance and areas with the most touches. All those early and day minutes still on bone resistance. There you go. I answered your question, okay? 53 people on Zoom. Disappointing number. Not gonna lie. It's been close to a year that we've been doing this. But yeah, I guess people are moody. It is what it is, okay? Like I said, we're still gonna come here, we're still gonna make our money. It doesn't matter if we have 5 people on or we have 100 people on. It really doesn't make a difference to Cash and myself. We're still gonna do what we do. Okay, and the same thing applies here. You want price to close, retest, and push. Now, technically, we did kind of have a little close over there, and then we had a nice little break retest to the downside, as you can see the previous level of support that's sitting right here. And then, even if you would have entered in here, you should be running by about 10 pips. How long will this be free? Till we want it to. The second we don't, it won't be free no more. All right. It's been free for the past 1 year, and yeah, it's still free as we speak. But yeah, it is what it is, guys. We're here to build a business and to teach you guys. Okay. I wouldn't mind this scalp as well. Okay, just letting you all know in case you want to start pushing down. There's a nice 23 pip scalp that's sitting right here. And if we break past this supply, guys, I see a nice little bullish move potentially coming into Goldie. Okay, looking good. Let's take a quick look at the Scalper Pro. Where's it at? Okay, US 30, NASDAQ, gold, perfect. Everything as of right now, as we can see, is trying to prime to the upside. Okay, NASDAQ as well, trying to push to the upside. And gold, again. Good moves. Good moves so far. Okay. Again, I'm going to be trading really small today. I have no reason to trade any bigger. Were on the ones that were on London. You guys saw what I did for London. All right, so I'm really, really happy with my pips for the day. Look at that. Anyone in on Nasdaq right now? Anyone in on Nasdaq? Please tell me somebody from my one-on-ones. I'm sure there's at least one person out here that entered in on that beautiful retest. Because if you got in on that retest rejection, you should be running 17 pips on this move right now. I'm in. Awesome, Ali. Connor is in. Lovely. I'm in on Nasdaq. Lovely. I got it with a nice Corolla. Awesome, you guys. Lovely, lovely. Good job, Aaron. Great. Okay. Liquidate. We do have some. Listen, if you guys pulled out 17 pips, don't be greedy. Take your position out. We're super close to market open. Leave a runner running on break even. All right. If you're entered in over here, like I said, you should be running 17. Say your spreads are about 2 pips, 14, 50, 14, 15 pips, no problem. Okay. So take that out and leave the rest running on break even. All right. We've got market open in the next 1 minute. Market open in 1 minute, you guys. Look at the drop coming down on the dirty. All right. I want to take a look at the dirty. Okay. Look at that. Nasty's freaking pushing, you guys. I love it. Beautiful on NASDAQ. All right. We're going to have the indices open. Be careful, guys. Don't go too crazy. All right. Okay. I have an order set up for Nasdaq, all right, for a zone fill in case they want to give that to us in the next 18 seconds. Small position, nothing too big, like I told you. And let's see if it gets triggered. It gets triggered. We do have the EMA that's sitting up there, all right. Market open in 8 seconds, so we really need to break past that. We could get that zone fill, or they're just going to start to push to the downside, and we could start looking for something like this. This is market open, you guys. Let's get it. Okay. Boom. I just pulled out. I just pulled out 10 pips, 10 pips. I caught 10 freaking pips again and done. All right, I just got 10 pips on the break of that candle up to our EMA, as you can see. That was my TP. We hit that EMA and now we're starting to push up. All right, like I said, I'm not looking for too much today. I just pulled out 1710 on $100 a pip. Sorry, on $120 a pip. Okay, wick fill. Now we're starting to push down. This is the power of scalping. All right, we get in for the wick fills, we get in for the impulses, we do everything that you can imagine us to do. All right, people like to call us aggressive scalpers. So be it. All right, 120 on a feeler for crap. What a baller. Beautiful move, guys. Beautiful move. I like it. Let's see what the continuations want to do. Guys, I'm letting you all know I'm not getting in on any more trades. No more trades for me. I'll stick around for the next couple of minutes for you guys. But let me mute YouTube for a second. Sorry about that, YouTube. I was talking to our private Zoom members. Spaceman Man, what's up, buddy? How's it going? How are you doing? Are you still on vacation or are you back yet? Trying out FTMO today. Best of luck. Let me know how it goes, okay? I'll message you after the stream, brother. I want an update on their spreads. Also trying out FTMO. All right, guys. Best of luck with it. Don't worry. Listen, A lot of people have been asking our opinion on the situation. Clearly, um, it looks like MFF is, you guys get it. All right, I'm on YouTube. I don't want to. All right, thank you for whoever is annotating on my screen. I appreciate you. God bless you. Okay. And yeah, like I was saying, it seems like MFF is pretty screwed up. Doesn't seem like they're coming back anytime soon. So we're going to have to see how it plays out. Cash and I are not jumping in on anything. Listen, if you guys think y'all are affected, we are just as affected as y'all. Okay. Pity us. Pity people that didn't pull out profits and that were compounding their accounts up, because we are the ones that are truly screwed in this whole ordeal that's taking place right now. Okay, I understand people that were just pulling out their profits as well. You guys have, well, technically you're at break even because the live traders have already received their money back. It's the ones that didn't clear the challenge yet and the ones that were compounding their accounts up that are actually really affected by this. Okay, so trust me when I say this. I know it hurts because we're part of this too, and it hurts us as well. But it is what it is, you guys. These markets, they don't owe us shit. The brokers are there to screw with us, they're there to make money. And that's exactly what they're going to do. All right, now, if money, if them making money leads to them also facing jail time, that's on them. All right, we don't need to be affected by the whole situation. Keep your head high, keep moving forward. And for now, FTMO is the one. Cash and I are still doing research on the funded pips, and there's so many freaking prop firms out there. But yeah, we're the funded trader and all of that good stuff. So we're just making sure before we advertise anything to you guys. Okay, so I guess people have already made their money because quite a few people just left the stream on Zoom. Yes, FTMO is one of the OGs in the game. In the game, all right, and they're also the cream, which is why they're one of the most expensive. You guys will be fine with FTMO for now. All right, Space. Once you've, guys, give me a second. Sorry, guys, I've got a bad throat. Space. Once you're in, just hit me up, okay, bro? Give me an update on those spreads. Okay, look at that. Now, just maybe Nasdaq is starting to prime towards the downside. They look good for now. Good, good, good. I remember trading FTMO and their spreads being horrible back in 2019, which is why I stepped out of FTMO, and MFF was brand new then. It was the new kid on the block, but I've been with MFF since. Got to check the slippage. It's most certainly going to be better than MFF, right? So many of you guys, you all remember on the prop firm, so many of y'all used to face those major issues with the slippage. Turns out it was pretty fucked up. Okay, excuse my language, but it was. And it should somewhere be a little bit of a confidence boost for you guys, knowing that despite trading through those dirty antics of your broker, you're still, and if you were still profitable, pat on your back and just imagine how it's going to be when you are with a broker that does you right. Okay? They screwed us. Tell me about it, buddy. Can you please explain the gold setup? Sure. This nice little double top. Okay, and we have some demand that's sitting over here. Break of this pushes us down here. If we hold over here, we're going to push back up and we can start to look to buy the market. But if we get this move and more, we could push more to the downside. And just like there's demand sitting here, there's also some supply sitting here. Nice breaker structure to the upside would come in over here, and you could be looking to test out these highs at your daily resistance, which also happens to be the daily high. Okay, is anyone in any trades? Like I said, I'm not taking anything more. I'm happy. Look at that, US 30. That double top starting to look good. I'm not gonna lie on the dirty. Be careful, you guys. 3.5 minutes to go for this candle to close. All right, if you guys are gonna be getting in on any sort of impulses, either be quick or make sure your position's really tiny. Okay, let's take a look at the Scalper Pro real quick. Okay, nothing's oversold as of right now. It does look like we're trying to cross the 50 to the upside. I think we can get this zone fill down here, but I do feel we'll start to pick up some demand from here. So again, if you're going to get in on this and we close down here, you guys know where to liquidate your positions. Okay. Let's take a look at the EMAs as well. All right, maybe they're priming up for a potential golden cross that could be coming into play. Okay, we've got to break past that guy. Do we have any fixed time traders over here? Do we have any fixed time traders? Or are we all spot traders over here? Hi, here for the first time. I have a question regarding USA strategy. Can I ask you? Sure, Shazab Khan, go ahead. Okay, so I'm guessing no fixed time traders over here. Look at that. The impulse on the dirty is potentially pushing down to hit TP at the daily region down there. Okay. Okay, Nasdaq pushing right back up, you guys. Pushing right back up. They touched that zone, but maybe they want to fill it further. We're gonna have to see. 13 Pro Max 1 TB. Good morning, buddy. Alpha D Gen, my man. What's up, brother? What's up? What is the best time to trade gold? Whenever you want, but you're going to get the most liquidity and volume in these markets when there's catalyst. What do I mean by catalyst? I mean market open. I mean news. I mean any sort of economic events. That's going to be the best time for you to be trading market open. That's going to be the best time for you to be trading any security. Till how much can we expect gold to go? Gold's not doing anything, so I'm not too sure what you're asking, but the boxes, right? If it closes up there, we could go till there. Closes down here, could come down there. See you on the next session. Bye. Cheers, Ajay. Take it easy, brother. So in my strategy, I look at the top and bottom between the red and the white line. If US 30 breaks any of the top or bottom line, follows 100 pips in that direction. I came across this pattern. Have I interpreted it correctly? Buddy, you're looking for shortcuts. That's a mistake. Okay? Listen, what we try to tell you guys is there's no strategy, there's no shortcut, and there's no way to see price break past the EMAs and you get the move. That's not going to happen. That'll work once, that'll work twice, but then you're basically just banking upon the indicators. What we do over here is we trade price action. We read every candle for what it is. We have our zones marked out for support and resistance. So we have our key levels marked out, and we then use risk management to go with that. Okay, buddy? So don't fall into the trap. Also, you're using high Kanashi candles, which is not going to give you the true range of price. It's only going to give you the average price. We don't use high Kanashi. You could use whatever you'd like. There's really no issues. But again, like I said, don't be looking for a move that'll make you money. Try to understand price action. Try to understand the candles. Try to trade break of structure or the retracement from the structure, because that's when you will start to see success in these markets. Okay, do not chase the indicators, buddy. I just checked it out with resistance. Well, yes. Okay, now what is US 30 going to do? The US 30 is maybe going to pick up some buyers from here. Just like I told you guys, we are coming into some demand down in this region. Okay, maybe we're going to start to pick up some buyers. If the buyers do step in, we could look at this. And if we want to push higher and be safer, we can look at that. Okay, Cash, are you on this call? Cash effects. Man, I don't feel like trading today, just watching. That's a good feeling to have. Okay, you are, babe. Okay, were you able to get in any trades, Cash? Okay, and there you go. US 30 starting to drop. Remember what I told you guys? That double bottom was starting to look good. If anyone entered in on that retest or the rejection, should be running by a couple of pips right now, my one on ones. I hope you guys entered in over here and have already exited this trade for about 25 pips. W on dirty, 20 pips, cheers, zero. My man got in on the retest. That's how you do it, all right? This is what we do here for you guys at Forex Trading every single trading day, twice every single trading day. All right. It's unreal to think that we do this for free. We've been doing this for a year and we still continue to do this for you guys. Okay. All we ask for in return are some freaking lousy success stories and Twitter posts. I don't think that's too much to ask for. We literally. We have lives as well, but we've dedicated everything we have to Forex trading. I'm not even kidding. Cash and I were working through the week. Literally, we're working the weekends, we're working the week, we're doing everything we can to produce these streams for you guys. And you guys know the situation with the one-on-ones as well. I'm booked up until the mid of November at this point, and it's just going to keep increasing and increasing and increasing. Okay, from the past 1 year, we have been giving it our all for you guys. Okay, go ahead, post up on success stories, and make sure to let people know what we're doing here at Forex Trading. Okay. Awesome. Clean moves, great moves, lovely London session, lovely New York session as well. I didn't trade too much today. I just got on a smaller position. I caught about 12 pips, and I'm happy. I caught my 1450 pips on a nice fat Lambo for New York again. It's a great day. It's a great day. All right, I can't complain anymore. Look at that, US 30 still falling. Anyone still in on this guy? Anyone still banking on the dirty? Where are we going down to potentially that region right there? Okay, if we have the momentum to break past, boom, we're pushing down. If this candle closes over here, expect price to again try to have a retest, a nice rejection from here, and maybe a continued push down to the downside. Okay, and if they don't close over here, they're going to start picking back support and they're going to move back up to the 4H resistance. Gold, chop, chop. Okay, but you guys have my levels for gold. What I'm going to tell you all to do with gold now is after the stream, if we happen to break that 1928 region, okay, right there, that's going to be your sells to the downside. If you happen to break the 1935 region roundabout, okay, let's look at 1935 right there. If you happen to break that, you have a nice little bullish move that could be coming in. Okay, do we have any questions, you guys? Because I am going to call it a session. Also, for the one-on-ones, we're going to close off bookings soon. Like I said, I am booked till November. There are a few bookings, and also for the ones that are already on the one-on-ones, I know a lot of you guys want extensions. So if you all want to get those extensions done, now would be the time to get it done, guys. Get in touch with me because I'm closing it off. I am taking a complete off from the one-on-ones from mid. Mid December to mid Jan, which means there are basically slots worth one more month left. All right, because I'm already booked till mid November and I'm doing no one on ones from the 15th of December to the 15th of Jan. Okay, so VDT, how to book a one on one. Go ahead on our Discord server and just say hi. Can you give me the information on the one on ones on the general chat? And Cash Effects, my partner, will message you with the necessary details. Okay, VDT, or you could just direct message me your Discord ID right now as well. Look at that. They're really starting to push back up. Okay. And yes, guys, now's the time. If I want to get booked up, make sure you'll get booked up because I'm gonna have to see if I'm even doing this from Jan onwards. When I say doing this, I'm talking about um, the one-on-ones. Okay, I really don't know. It's taken up too much of my time in the past 1 year, and I want to concentrate more on bettering myself as a trader, sharpening my skills even more, and I don't think I'm gonna. I mean, of course, I'm still gonna be here to teach you guys and all of that good stuff, but I can't give it as much time as I am right now and as I have been for the past year. Okay, so now's your chance. Barely, maybe 4 or 5 slots left because if 5 people take the 5 session package that's going to cover me up for a month. All right, so let me know. Now's your time. The one-on-ones will probably still happen, but we may just hire someone else to do it, something of that sort. But as of right now, this is it. Okay, guys, if you still have to book, yeah, missing out life-changing stuff. Appreciate you, space, my man. Appreciate you. The one-on-ones are packed with value. Thank you so much. You guys are the sweetest. Listen, you OGs, you guys know it. All right, I don't hide nothing from you guys. There's no secrets to what we do. Um, there's literally no secrets to what we do. We try to be as transparent as we can with you guys, and a lot of people have started making a shit ton of money after they've done the one-on-ones. It's ridiculous to see that I had absolute beginners that had come on to the sessions, and by the end of the course, some of them are still on the course. Um, they've started to become profitable. It's insane to think about it. I'm so glad that we were able to bring that change in your lives. But guys, I need to take things to the next level for myself. Both Cash and I, we're extremely happy and we're extremely fortunate to be where we are. But it's now time to start focusing on us, all right? Because trust me when I say this, when we go to the next level, you guys will come to the next level with us. All right. So I don't want us to stagnate and I want us to keep growing so that we can keep making you guys grow with us here at Forex Trading as well. And before we know it, from the army of millionaires, we're going to become the goddamn army of billionaires. All right, guys? Best thing is it's all tailored to you. Absolutely, man. We customize it for you guys. Time for the evolution. Yes, sir. Exactly. We must continue to support you. Thank you so much, Alpha Degen. Yes, we can. Emily, message Cash. She'll fit you in for this weekend. All right, guys. Do we have any questions, or can I call it a session? Um, Lovely moves again. You know what? Zoom, stay on the call. I'm gonna end YouTube, and I'm gonna be back. YouTube, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate y'all. Go ahead and make sure to click the link in our description. Join our Discord server. It's absolutely free. We're not charging you nothing. Like a lot of these groups that do what we do a lot worse, but they still charge you five, seven, $800 a month. Okay, so go ahead, click the free link in our description, join our server, and hop on to the Zoom call that's happening simultaneously. Okay, you guys are most definitely experiencing a latency issue right now on YouTube. There is a lag because it's streaming on YouTube, but we have the Zoom call that's happening simultaneously. Hop on, it's free. All right, thank you, YouTube. I appreciate you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow for London and for New York. Um, I'm Mark, aka CramFX. My partner's Cash and Millzone, and this is Forex Trading YouTube. Signing out. See you guys tomorrow.